pretty loud. I should have started this before we started scrubbing these wood floors, but we cleaned these wood floors. These are drying. We didn't do no sanding, just a deep scrub, and we're going to put a finish on these floors. That's what the customer wanted, but these have been scrubbed. We got to just mop it up a little bit. And then this one is drying. This one's drying. We're going to put our floor finish down now. See how dry this floor is. Need some polish on it. It's going to take about 3 coats. We got 1 coat on these wood floors. About to put 2 more coats on. It really bring out the depth of them. A lot richer look and cleaner. Alright, well, we got 2 coats on this floor, and I just put 1 coat on this floor, and I put 2 on this one and in that room. I'm about to put the 2nd coat in this room right here. And remember, this isn't urethane. They didn't want to pay the full price for a strip down and sanding and polish. This is just a deep scrub and putting a latex finish down on these wood floors, which these wood floors were dry. Whatever we got here. And hardwood floors all done. Nice deep shine on them. I'm sorry we didn't do the really cleaning of the wood floors and get them all how nasty they were. All the dirt and everything was coming up, but they were pretty shot. So hope you like this. Thank you.